Hey guys, Brad with Family Handyman. I've been using this pocket knife for about 10 years and I really love it, and let me tell you why. So this style of knife originated in Japan probably a couple hundred years ago, and because of its popularity, several manufacturers formed a guild to oversee the production of these knives. And this manufacturer, Higonokami, is the last remaining member of that guild, and these knives are still handmade. What I love about this knife is that it's not bulky, and I do really like the fact that it's still handmade. And at under 20 bucks on Amazon, I don't have to worry about beating it up. It's got a quick one-handed operation and the blade holds an edge really well. The one thing that does happen over time is the single rivet that holds the blade to the handle can get a little bit loose. And let me show you the easy fix for that. All you have to do is give that rivet a couple of taps with a hammer on an anvil. So if you're in the market for a new pocket knife, the Higonokami is Family Handyman approved. To see what else we're testing and more Family Handyman approved products, visit us at familyhandyman.com.